Alfred, I'm home.
Was your dick successful?
Yes, it was. And how are you and Dick Grayson?
I'm fine, and he's off playing with Beast Boy and Cyborg.
I'm going to the museum to see the ruby.
I'll get the car.
And don't forget my suit.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mr. Wayne.
Yes, Alina, Kyle.
Yes. Oh, how much do you think this would cost?
$4,310.
A lot on the black market.
What?
Nothing, I'll be back.
This is a robbery. I'm stealing this ruby. Now. Stop now, Catwoman. Well, if it isn't Batman. Stop now and no one gets hurt. Sorry, I don't listen to freaks. Wow, that's what you call me? Look at you. Stay down. Ow. Ow. Thanks, Batman. No problem. I'll be back. I'm counting on it. You're never getting out of here, kitty cat. I'll be out soon. What's going on? I'm watching Catwoman. Then where is she? Right here. Ugh. I told you I would escape.